We've just received these new great massage tools, the massage loop or ring, and Adam will demonstrate a couple of uses for it.
It's very good. My first time seeing this tool, but right away it's very flexible, and what's good about it, it has 2 points of contact. So usually we use the whips like this type of tapping, but with this you can start to, when you hit, it's like a circle point of contact. So it's very good for the muscles around the spine, and also it's very good for a lot of stress. If people have stress and a lot of tension, you can do this type of work. So you tap, and you start to remove any negative emotions or any stress from the nervous system. So you can do this type of tapping. You can do if someone has a lot of stress, if the person's okay, you can give a little bit a deeper type of contact, and the person starts to inhale, exhale, and removes that stress. So you can do like that and hold it, and then remove any negative emotions. And it's very good for the muscles. And also, see, around the elbow, you don't hit directly on the elbow, you hit around it. So it gets the, see, there's the elbow, it gets the muscles around it. So that's good too for the joints.
Like knee joint and heels and so on. Could you show how to use both?
Both of them.
Yeah. Mm-hmm. So if you, in case you have two.
Yeah. And also if you have two different colors, it's good. So you can do this type of work. So you start to right away work on the muscles beside the spine, but at the same time. And you can hold and start to remove any negative emotions. Also too, if the person puts head straight, you can start to work with the muscles by the neck. A lot of stress here. You can hit this way at the same time. And also you can start to do this type.
And self-massage, of course, as well.
Yeah, and then self-massage. Like that, very good.
Mm-hmm.
Yes. And also for the feet.
Mm-hmm.
It's a very nice tool.
Thank you.